Hi friends, what's up? So today we are going to see how to attach or install LED light to the license plate of the bike or the number plate of the bike. So what stuff we are going to require is that the main thing we require a damaged LCD panel uh, from which we are going to remove the LED lights. See this, these are the connections and these are installed here, and some wires and sellotape, and this light, this holder to attach into the number plate from where the original connection is been obtained to us. So let's see. So let's go on. So now friends, our first job is to remove the LED panels which are located inside the display. First of all, I want to tell you that the damaged LCD panel I have taken from the Galaxy Y. You can take any other LCD panel which is damaged and remove the LED lights which are installed inside the LED panel. So let's remove the LED lights from inside the LCD panel. So here you can see that these are the LEDs which are going to remove and use for use for the license plate or number plate of our bike. So first of all we have to remove this by using a shoulder gun. Here you can see that this is a shoulder here, and these are the connection of the LED, and now we have to remove it. And now friends, to remove this LED strip, we have to first de-solder the connection. The connection is here. To remove these LEDs from inside the LCD panel, to remove this connection, here you can see that these are the connections. This LED strip, we have to use needle, and yeah, it has been removed. Here you can see that. Now to remove this LED strip, we will use needle to remove it. Here you can see that this is the LED strip. Not removing from this side, and now we are removing the LED strip from the LCD panel, and hence we have removed the LED strip from the LCD panel. Here you can see that. Now what we have to do is that the two there are two connections. Here you can see that there are two connections, one is positive and one is negative. Now what we have to do is that just cut these two little piece of wire and solder to these two connection. So this we will do by a shoulder gun. Just little bit get a tip of shoulder on this gun and paste on, and paste this connection. And now friends, we have shouldered these two connection. Here you can see that this connection, the shouldering has been done. Now what we have to do to connect to our bike, just take this holder and just put these two wires in these two holes. Here you can see that, and just put this wire in this hole and this wire in this hole. And now what we have to do is that just press this wire to this side, and this wire to this side. Now the connection look like this. Here you can see that. Just I want to tell you that don't while making this connection, don't take this wire too much long, because the place where we have to place this LED, there is not much space there, so that's why a small wire is more recommended. And now we will go and install this connection in our bike. So let's go. And now guys, we have connected these wires and all the connections, and now we will check first of all whether the LEDs are working or not. So I am using here a 12-volt adapter, and we will try the first time and connect it, whether to check it's working or not. So yes, yep, see the LEDs are very brighter. You can see that it is very brighter. And now we will go and install these LED lights upside of the number plate. So let's go. And now friends, we have completed all the procedure and all the stuff. I have already installed LED strip, which is of Oppo F1. The difference is only that the number of LEDs are more in that LCD panel, but the whole procedure is as same as I have shown in this video. And here you can see that I have just stick a cello tape here inside and attach it, and the whole connection is like that only. Here you can see that the number of LEDs are more, only the difference is that, otherwise the whole procedure is that. And let's attach this LED light to the bike and see how does it glows. And now friends, we have completed all the installation and all the fitting arrangement. See here, you can see that how does it looks. This is the one, and now we are going to see how does it look like, it glows or not. And friends, here you can see that the LEDs are glowing. See this one, and it is much brighter than any other LED lights, which for which we spend around 500 rupees or around 1000 rupees for the license plate. And now friends, we are here to see how does the LED light look like at night. So now let's start the bike and see how does the LED looks. And friends, you can see that the LED is much brighter than any other market ready-made license plate or a number plate which cost at rupees 500 or 1000 rupees. You can see that I am standing far away from the bike, and you can see that how much the light is brighter. See, you can see that. So I hope so you have get the actual knowledge and actual idea how much the light is brighter. It is very bright. I hope so you enjoy my video. If it is helpful to you, then please like my